Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the power source and cable integrity. Plug a lamp or phone into the same outlet to confirm power. If it works, move on. Visually inspect the cable for frays, kinks, or exposed wires because damage often causes intermittent charging. Make sure you use the original Samsung charger or a certified alternative with the correct output specs. This prevents slow charging or damage. Once done, try a different wall outlet and the same cable to isolate whether the issue is the outlet versus the charger. You should power off the phone before inspecting the USB-C port to avoid shorts. Use a non-metallic tool, a soft brush, toothpick wrapped in cloth, or short bursts of compressed air to gently dislodge lint and debris. Small fibers block contact and cause charging failures. Look closely under good light or a magnifier for bent pins, corrosion, or a loose port. These indicate hardware repair. If you see corrosion, do not attempt to run water, dry cleaning methods only, because liquid can worsen the problem. You now run final tests and decide on repair. First, connect a known good cable and adapter and watch for charge animation and percentage increase. Short bursts or stopping tells you the issue persists. Next, boot into safe mode or try wireless charging. If wireless works, suspect the USB port hardware or drivers. If charging still fails and you observed bent pins or loose assembly, stop troubleshooting. Schedule professional repair or replace the charging assembly because attempting solder repairs without tools risks further damage. One tip: if it intermittently charges, try gently wiggling to replicate the fault while recording. Useful when talking with a technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.